today's video is going to be my March Boxycharm unboxing. So I just want to talk about Boxycharm for a minute. So I have been getting Boxycharm for 5.5 years now. I've been getting Boxycharm. Boxycharm has stipulations as to when we are allowed to post our videos. They don't want us posting our videos before the 7th of every month. And it's kind of irritating because there are some people that don't listen to that. I just feel like I gotta just say something about it because clearly they want to post their videos first because whoever posts their video first gets the most views, and that's what they're doing. But yeah, it's to the point where it's ridiculous because like I keep getting emails from like the Boxycharm people and they keep reminding, like it's not just me getting emails, it's all of us getting emails, and they keep reminding us like don't post before the 7th of the month, don't do this, and people continue to do it, and it's just ridiculous. I think it's just ridiculous at this point that people don't listen. They're that desperate to get those views. They honestly shouldn't be on the Boxycharm PR list anymore because they can't follow simple rules. That's just my 2 cents. And I feel like I just had to say something about it because I'm sick of getting those emails with reminders because I follow the rules every month. Like I'm a good person. I can follow that one simple rule, and it's just annoying to continually get those emails just saying like, don't post before this, and people continue to do it, and it's annoying. So if you see anyone posting their Boxycharm video before the 7th of the month, first of all, no, they're not a subscriber because subscribers, like Boxycharm people that like pay for their boxes, don't get them that early. Just know that they're like not following the rules and just being a douchebag, basically. Like just follow the rules. It's that simple. Anyway, so the theme this month is pretty edgy. I got variation 35 and my box weighs, you guys always ask that. You ask what variation I got and how much it weighs. Doesn't say how much it weighs. Sorry. Okay, first thing in the box is something from Becca. Is it? Yeah! So this is the Becca Glow Gloss in the color Rose Gold. I actually have one of these and I freaking love it so much. I forgot what color it was. I'm pretty sure I got it in another Boxycharm, but I keep it in my purse. You know, a lip product's good if it stays in the purse. But yeah, I love it and I'm excited for this one. This is, what did I say the color was? Rose Gold. So it's really pretty. I'm not gonna swatch it because my hands are like super dry. You guys, I went to friggin' Walgreens today to get dish soap because we're out of dish soap. We're almost out of hand soap too, so I wanted to get hand soap. No hand soap at Walgreens, and they were low on dish soap. I think people are using dish soap now as soap to wash their hands. Like, this is craziness. Like, did these people never wash their hands before this? Like, what are people just stocking up, like buying all the soap out? Like, what's going on? I'm very confused. We should always be washing our hands like this. Like, this isn't anything new that we should be doing. Like, it's gross. Anyway, I'm really excited for this. This retails for $22. It says, illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. Ooh, it has 3D light reflecting pigment ingredients. Ugh. Yeah, okay. I'm excited about this. So first product, yeah. Okay, what is this? We don't need that. Next, we have something from Murad. This is the hydration. The Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for eyes. Retails for $70. Deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream, a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract. Seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness, gentle enough for sensitive skin. I'm actually excited to try this. My under eye area, like I got, oh man, wrinkles. I'm actually thinking about getting Botox. And I make that face because, not that I'm against it, but I've just been always the type of person that's like, I'm perfect the way I am. I love myself. You know, you should love yourself. You're perfect the way you are. But I think I would be more perfect if I didn't have these wrinkles, like my forehead wrinkles and my wrinkles like under my eyes. I know some people are gonna be like, it's poison, but I just wanna, I don't know, I just wanna see, just wanna talk to someone. But yeah, I'm excited to try this for sure. This is a good box so far. What is this? This is the Spongely Body Wash Infused Buffer. Retails for $16. It's a unique body wash infused buffer. It says change instantly underwater as you squeeze from a sensual exfoliating massage texture to a soft as silk. I can't read. Guaranteed for 14 washes. I'm actually excited to try this. There was something from Ulta that I tried. It was like a sponge infused with like body wash already, and I really, really liked it. Ooh, oh my gosh, that smells really, really, really good. Ooh, I'm liking this box. What is this? This is from Pharmacy. This is the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is limited edition. This is probably made specifically for Boxycharm, I would assume. It's not on here. Okay, Boxycharm. They sent me, yeah, okay, so on my card it says that I should have gotten a Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Eyeliner instead of this, but they sent me this instead. I'm happy to get this instead because I've got so many eyeliners. That eyeliner retails for $19. I don't know anything about this. I don't know what it retails for. I'm excited to try this. It's a pink cherry scented version of our best-selling Green Clean Cleansing Balm infused with vitamin C and I thought it said rich areola cherry, but it says rich acerola. Anyway, I'm excited for this. All right, and then the last thing is a palette. This is a Boxycharm palette. This is the Hello Charmer palette. Retails for $39. This exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. Let's see. Hello, Charmer. Hello. Hello. Oh, yeah. All right. So the first color that stands out to me is Swipe Up. Like, oh my gosh, can you see? I can't tell if my camera is in focus, but yeah, those are some kind of like random colors. That color is like really pretty. I'm wondering if the glitter is gonna like transfer. It's very glittery. And then you got like that really gold color, and then you got some blues. Yeah, these are just like random colors, but I'm excited. Okay, so my thoughts on this box. This is a good box. I'm definitely excited for this palette. I'm glad that I got this instead of another eyeliner because I got 50 million zillion eyeliners. I'm excited to try this. It smells really good. It says French lavender. That doesn't really smell like lavender to me. It just smells very, very clean. Yes, definitely gonna try this Murad under eye hopeful lifesaver. Hopefully we're gonna try that. What else? And then definitely excited for this Becca gloss. So yeah, this was a good box this month. I'm excited. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I have a link down below. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.